Have you ever dreamed of a stress-free cruise with your kids, only to realize too late that everyday items like toys or gadgets are total no-goes on board? Join me as I reveal 8 game-changing tips for surviving your first family cruise, including the banned items you must avoid to keep the good times rolling. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning your first cruise with kids, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. Think endless pools, exotic ports, and all-you-can-eat buffets that even the pickiest eaters will love. But let's be real, cruising with little ones can feel overwhelming, especially when you're new to it. Between keeping them entertained, managing seasickness, and dealing with tight cabin spaces, there's a lot to juggle. That's why today, we're diving into 8 essential tips for surviving your first cruise with kids. And here's the twist. These tips are centered around banned items on most major cruise lines like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Disney, and Norwegian. Knowing what not to pack isn't just about following rules. It's about avoiding headaches, fines, or even getting kicked off the ship. We'll count them down from 8 to 1, with quick explanations on what each item is, why it's banned, and some family-friendly alternatives to keep your trip smooth. Let's get started. Starting our countdown at number 8, irons and clothes steamers. These are those handy household appliances you use to smooth out wrinkles in your clothes. Think the classic flat iron or a handheld steamer that blasts hot vapor. Why are they banned? Cruise ships are floating cities with strict fire safety protocols, and these gadgets have heating elements that could overheat, spark, or cause a blaze in the confined spaces. With kids around, the last thing you want is an emergency drill turning real because of a forgotten iron. Pro tip for families, pack wrinkle-resistant clothes or use the ship's laundry services, which often include pressing. Many cruises offer self-service laundromats, so teach your older kids how to help out. It's a fun way to build responsibility while keeping everyone looking sharp for those family photos. Moving to number 7, surge protectors and multi-plug extension cords. These are the power strips you plug into a wall to charge multiple devices at once, often with built-in surge protection to shield against power spikes. Cruise lines ban them because ship electrical systems are sensitive and surge protectors can interfere, potentially causing shorts or fires. Plus, with limited outlets in cabins, usually just 1 or 2, it's tempting to overload them, but that's a recipe for disaster. For parents with kids, this is crucial. Think charging tablets for movie time, night lights, or baby monitors. Wait, more on those later. Instead, bring a simple USB hub without surge features, or invest in a cruise-approved power strip like those with just USB ports. Check your cruise line's policy ahead and pack extra batteries for toys to avoid outlet wars. At number 6, candles, including decorative or scented ones. These are wax pillars or jars with wicks that you light for ambiance or to mask odors. Banned across the board due to the obvious open flame fire risk. Ships are metal, but interiors are flammable, and a tipped candle could spread fast. With energetic kids bouncing around the cabin, it's even riskier. One accidental knock, and you've got a problem. Why does this matter for family cruises? Many parents pack candles for birthday celebrations or to create a cozy vibe, but forget the hazards. Opt for battery-operated LED candles instead. They flicker realistically without the danger. Or celebrate with glow sticks for a fun, kid-approved alternative that doubles as nighttime entertainment. Number 5, drones. These are those cool remote-controlled flying cameras that capture aerial footage, popular for vacation vlogs. Cruise ships prohibit them because they can interfere with the ship's navigation systems, pose privacy issues for other passengers, and are a safety hazard if they crash into people or equipment. For parents, drones might seem like a great way to film kids playing on deck, but launching one from a moving ship is often illegal in ports too. If your kids are drone enthusiasts, leave it at home and use your smartphone for videos. Many cruises have onboard photographers or apps for sharing memories, keeping the focus on bonding rather than tech troubles. Halfway through, number 4, hoverboards and self-balancing scooters. These are battery-powered boards with wheels that kids ride by leaning, like those popular Segway knockoffs. Banned mainly because their lithium-ion batteries are a fire risk, especially in hot, humid ship environments where they could overheat or explode. Airlines restrict them too, so it's a double whammy. With kids, these might seem tempting for zooming around decks, but ships have strict no-wheeled toys policies to prevent accidents in crowded areas. Instead, pack scooters or bikes only if the cruise allows them in designated kid zones, or stick to ship activities like mini golf or water slides for that adrenaline rush. Number 3, hard liquor and beer. This refers to bottles of spirits like whiskey or vodka or cases of beer you might try to sneak in. Most cruises ban bringing your own because they want to control alcohol sales and consumption on board. It's a revenue thing, plus it prevents overindulgence. For parents, this might not seem kid-related, but think family toasts or unwinding after a long day of kid wrangling. However, smuggling can lead to confiscation or worse. Many lines allow a bottle of wine or champagne per adult, so go that route. For non-alcoholic fun, stock up on sodas via the ship's drink packages and involve kids in mocktail making classes often offered on board. Coming in at number 2, Heelys or shoes with built-in wheels. These are sneakers that have retractable wheels in the heels, allowing kids to roll around like they're skating. Banned on ships because they can damage flooring, cause slips in wet areas like pool decks, and lead to injuries in busy hallways. Cruise lines prioritize safety, and with thousands of passengers, one wipeout could spoil the trip. Parents love them for active kids, but they're a no-go. Encourage walking or running in safe zones, or pack regular sneakers and hit the ship's jogging track as a family for some exercise. And our number 1 banned item, the one that catches many new parents off guard, baby monitors and walkie-talkies. These are wireless devices for listening to your baby from afar or communicating short distances. Why banned? They operate on frequencies that can interfere with the ship's communication systems like emergency radios or navigation signals, which is a huge safety issue. For families with infants or toddlers, this seems essential for nap time monitoring while you grab a coffee, but it's not worth the risk. Alternatives are cabin babysitting services on kid-friendly lines like Disney, or apps that use Wi-Fi for monitoring. Check if your cruise supports it. Always prioritize onboard kids clubs for peace of mind. There you have it, our countdown of 8 banned items disguised as essential tips to make your first cruise with kids a breeze. By avoiding these, you'll pack smarter, stress less, and focus on the magic moments, like watching sunsets with your little ones or exploring new destinations together. Whew, that was a lot, but now you're armed with the knowledge to ace your first family cruise. Remember, every cruise line has slight variations, so double-check their prohibited items list before you pack. Surviving a cruise with kids is all about preparation, flexibility, and embracing the adventure. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest worry about cruising with kids? I'd love to hear and maybe cover it in a future video. Safe travels, and see you on the high seas.